A very good morning to you, children. I hope that you all are fine. You are enjoying the activities which we are posting on daily basis, and at the same time you are also taking good care of yourself so that you remain fit and healthy. So today activity is based on the formation of plural. It is nothing new for you people because you have already studied a lot about formation of plural. Whenever we study noun, we learn these things. We learn about number, and in number we study that the number can be divided into two forms, that is singular and plural. So as you all know that singular stands for one and plural stands for more than one. So when we study about formation of plurals, there are certain rules which we all learn, and those rules, as you can see on the screen, you can see that the first rule for converting a singular into plural is making use of S. The second rule that we follow is by adding ES. The third rule that we use or we follow is making use of IES. And if you remember, we use IES mostly in the cases when the noun ends with Y. The next rule is the use of VES. This rule is followed in the cases where the noun ends with F or has F just before the last alphabet. So we use VES. And then obviously there are some exceptions. Exception means the words which do not follow any of these rules, those are the exceptions. Now what is today's activity? So children, as you can see, I have taken one A4 size sheet and I have divided my page into 5 columns, and on each column I have written the rule: use of S, use of ES, use of IES, use of VES, and then the exceptions. Now what are we going to do? Another thing which I have done is I have formed these strips. You can see on one strip flowers is written, on other strip buses is written, another strip men is written, cherries is there, and knives is there. Now all you can see is these strips are in some jumbled way. What are we going to do? We are going to place them under their proper headings. So let us pick up flowers first. Now flowers is the plural form, and as you can see, this word is made by adding S. The plural of flower word is made by adding only S. So this is going to fall under the category of use of S, right? So we are going to paste it here, right? The next word I pick up is buses. Now as you study this word buses, you can see that word buses, the plural is formed by adding ES. So this is going to come under the column second, where we are forming plurals by adding ES. Okay, now let us come to the third strip. Cherries, right? Cherries is the next strip, and as you can see, the word cherry is the singular form, and we have formed its plural cherries by adding IES. We have removed Y and added IES. So therefore this word cherries is going to fall under this column where we are adding IES. Next example you can see is the word knives. So knives is the plural form of the word knife, and as knife has F in it, we have removed F and we have added VES. So obviously this knives plural is going to fall under the fourth category, where we have formed plurals by adding VES. Now the last one you can see, the last strip states men. Now men, you can see it is not following any of these rules. Neither we are adding S nor we are adding ES, IES, VES, nothing is added. But it has an entirely different plural because the singular is man, and man changes to plural by simply changing the middle letter, that is A from E, right? So these are the 5 categories under which I have put up a strip of one example each, and you can see I have drawn a small picture also just to make it clear and just to make it little bit interesting for you. So what you are going to do in this activity, in the same manner, you people will be using one A4 size sheet. You will divide your page into 5 columns, and as I have written one example of each category, you will be pasting the strips of 5 different things. Like under the use of S, as I have written flowers, you will paste 5 strips in which the plural is formed by adding S. Similarly, under the ES column, you will be pasting 5 strips of nouns in which the plural is formed by adding ES. Similarly, for IES, you will paste 5 strips, and VES also you will paste 5 strips. And similarly for the exceptions. Now in the exception category, men is one example I have given. You can think of many more. Women, and there are so many others. If you will think, you will definitely get. And for the pictures, you just make small pictures just to clear the meaning. It's not that you have to draw them very nicely or very beautifully, very precisely. So just an example to show that these are the rules of converting singulars into plurals, and from one table itself, it will be clear to all of you that what are the different rules which we can use to form plurals. So I hope children you will enjoy doing this activity. Again, I would like to tell you, for instead of using the same colored strip, you can use different colored strips also. And for doing this activity, you can use your green files also, because in your green files in which we are doing some other English activities also, you can do this activity in that file also, where you can use the plain pages for dividing into columns. Thank you children. Have a nice day.